One of the things that I like to do as I am assembling a machine or as I'm designing a machine is to see if I can get rid of parts, eliminate parts, lower the cost. The number of parts increases the complexity, assembly, alignment, and overall cost of the machine. So as I'm looking at this machine, even if it's just a CNC wood router, I'm looking at how can I minimize the cost. And I found at least one upgrade that I can do on this machine right now, which is this motor, which is running the Y-axis, part of two motors. I can actually get rid of this, I guess, cable management system and the composite underneath it by running that cable straight through the gantry on the other side. And the reason why I'm doing that is because after I finish getting the cable from the back side here of the machine, I still have to route it to where the controls are. So it is a lot easier, especially since this motor moves with the gantry, to run it to the other side and then run it through that cable management system there. So this is one upgrade, and eventually what I'll do is I'll evaluate how much it costs on the upgrade to get rid of this composite and this IGUS chain drive system. That's it for this upgrade.